windows, which, I'm sure when Steve's mom put them in this house, they were great, but they were I think they call them casemented. And they got to where you could roll them out, but in order to get them in, they'd roll in, but they wouldn't suck in far enough for you to latch it. And so you'd have to have somebody go out and push on the window. I hated them. And so I told Steve, I said, all I want is windows that are up and down, simple to use. And so eventually we decided to do these. The roof that she had put on the metal one was white. The house kind of looked like a church. I mean, it wasn't very attractive at all. She had put a metal roof on it, but she had two inexperienced people come out and put it on, and they did it wrong. So then you couldn't attach guttering, because on the slick metal roof that she put on, the water, when it would rain, it'd shoot out over the top of the gutter. I mean, it didn't catch anything. And then we started having problems with getting moisture in the basement because of that. And so we decided that we'd do the roof and put on guttering, and that's why we did it. We were going by a house, and it had a sign out in the front yard. They've done all the windows, they've done the roof, the soffits, the guttering, and then they also covered around all the windows and doors and the garage door and up under the porch and all that. Yeah, they pretty much redone the whole place. They were just nice guys. I mean, and they were, they answered any questions, and they were efficient and everything. It didn't take them all that long. Oh, I love it. Yeah, we both do. Looks great, and we've had lots of compliments. I love the windows. I mean, they're wonderful, and they're easy to clean. They really do seem to help with the heating and the cooling. It just looks more tied together. I mean, it's just more pleasing to the eye, I think. It just looks nicer, I think, when you drive up. It just looks better. It kind of updated the house and made it look a little more, this century. So we've come to find out, after having lived out here for several years, and the things that Steve's mom had done, that you get what you pay for. And so, I think it's well worth the money that we spent. I'd tell him to call you guys and check into it.